In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive full storage. If you're seeing that dreaded storage full message, don't worry. Most of the time, it's caused by items sitting in trash across Drive, Photos, and Gmail. I'll walk you through clearing those, then show you how to find and remove the biggest files in your Drive. First, open your browser and search for Google Drive. In the results, choose the official link that goes to drive.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with the Google account that's running out of space. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner to make sure you're in the right one. Once Drive opens, look to the left sidebar and click Trash, sometimes called Bin, depending on your region. Files you've deleted still count toward your storage until they're permanently removed, so let's fix that. At the top, click Empty Trash and confirm. This action can't be undone, so take a second to be sure. Space may not update instantly, but this step typically frees up a lot. Next, go to the Google Apps grid in the top right corner and open Photos. Photos and videos here also use your Google storage. In Photos, click the trash icon on the left, then choose Empty Trash to permanently remove those items. Again, confirm the prompt. Clearing Photos trash is important because large videos can sit there and keep eating space even after you think they're gone. Now open the Google Apps grid again and switch to Gmail. In Gmail, open the trash from the left navigation. Click the option to delete forever to clear everything in trash. Big email attachments can add up, and just like with Drive and Photos, they still count until you permanently delete them. Head back to Google Drive. On the left sidebar, click Storage. This view sorts your files by size so you can quickly spot what's taking up the most space. Review the largest items, often videos, archives, or old backups, and delete anything you no longer need. When you delete from here, those files move to your Drive trash first. If you change your mind, you can restore them from trash. Otherwise, they'll be removed permanently when you empty it like you did earlier. Give Google a little time to recalculate your storage after these cleanups. That's it. By emptying trash in Drive, Photos, and Gmail, and then removing a few oversized files, you should see your available storage bounce back and your Drive running smoothly again.